Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're doing a bunch of work to these two trucks, and while I got the cab off, I wanted to take a moment and show you the air ride suspension on this thing. So this one's a 22 1-ton 3500, yeah, dually, and it has the air ride in it. So I'm going to flip this around and I'm going to go through this with you really quick. As you can see, the cab's off. I just got done installing the Sinister diesel catch cans. There's that Fleece turbo. Got a whole bunch of other goodies on the other side. You come down and you see this little guy right here. That's your nitrogen tank. Come off. There's your nitrogen fill port. Come off and come back to the compressor and the module. Now, a lot of you guys who tow really like to be able to level out, and this is a factory installed system that uses nitrogen instead of an aftermarket installed that uses air. These are much quieter. They recycle nitrogen, so it pumps it back to the tank when you're wanting less pressure in your bags, and then pumps it out of the tank into the bags when it's required for more pressure. Now, these systems also have a trailer hookup function where you can lower the rear, get under the trailer, and come up into your ball without touching your jack. It's kind of crazy, but anyway, they're also automatic load leveling, meaning it will level out depending on the payload that you have behind you or in the bed. So it's a cool system. Just thought I would give you a quick video on it and another quick run around. Like I said, about ready to set the cab down on this. There's my line for the FASS system that's going to go in. And then back over here again, the compressor and the module and the nitrogen tank. And as always, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, shoot me a message. The comments are getting pretty up there, and it's hard for me to keep track and keep monitoring those for questions. So if anybody's got any serious questions they want to ask me, shoot me in my email, please. It should be in the YouTube app. But anyway, thanks again. Like, follow, share, all of that good stuff. We'll talk to you soon.